video on the features of the Word screen. At the very top of the page, we have the name of the document and the program that you're in. Over here, we have the Quick Access toolbar. Next is the ribbon, which has all the commands and functions that the program has. It's comprised of tabs, which look much like the tabs on a file folder. And inside each tab, there are groups. In the Home tab, you have the clipboard group, the font group, the paragraph group, the style group, and the editing group. In the middle of the page, we have the document text area. This is where you do your typing. On the bottom of the page, we have the status bar, which tells you how many pages are in your document and how many words are in your document. At the very bottom is the Start button, a search tool. You can search your computer. Over here, I have all of my open programs and documents. And on the right side is the zoom slider, which will make let me show you how to change those words, very small or extremely large. That's all in the zoom slider down here on the bottom. Next to the zoom slider are the view buttons, which change the view of your page from reading view to, and on reading view, it's going to be on two sides of the page, and page layout view, which is where we normally are, and then web layout view, which will take away all of your formatting functions. We're going to keep it in page layout view. And that is a quick introduction to the Word screen.